If you're thinking about investing in Kartra for your business or online marketing needs, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 most important aspects of Kartra that could make or break your decision. Stick around to the end to find out why it might be the right tool for you, and how you can get a special offer if you decide to try it out. First off, Kartra is an all-in-one platform designed to streamline your online marketing efforts. This might sound like just another buzzword, but Kartra combines features that you would otherwise need multiple tools for: email marketing, landing pages, sales funnels, membership sites, and even video hosting. So, before you dive in, understand that Kartra isn't just a single tool, it's an entire ecosystem. If you're currently using tools like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, and others, Kartra might help you consolidate everything under one roof. Next thing to consider is the learning curve. If you've used other platforms, especially something like Lead Pages, or even simpler tools like Wix, Kartra may feel a little overwhelming at first. It's not the most intuitive software out there, especially when compared to tools like Kajabi, which some might find easier to navigate initially. But once you get past that initial learning phase, Kartra offers an extensive range of features that will help you scale up your business quickly. The third thing you need to know is the pricing. Kartra's pricing can feel steep, especially when compared to alternatives like System.io or MailChimp, which offer more affordable plans. However, you need to remember that Kartra provides a suite of tools that would cost much more if purchased individually. That said, if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options that cater to smaller budgets, but for larger businesses looking to scale, Kartra offers great value. The fourth thing is Kartra's powerful funnel building capabilities. It's designed to make creating complex sales funnels easy, and it's one of the reasons many digital marketers swear by it. You can create anything from simple landing pages to highly detailed sales processes, which is something you won't always get with simpler software like ConvertKit or MailChimp. Kartra's Funnel Builder comes with a drag-and-drop editor, templates, and advanced customization options, which puts it ahead of many of its competitors. Next up is the email automation system. Kartra's email marketing feature is robust, and honestly, it might just be one of the best in the business. While tools like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp are solid, Kartra integrates email with your sales funnel seamlessly. You can create automated email sequences that trigger based on specific actions your users take, which is great for lead nurturing and boosting conversions. The advanced segmentation and dynamic content features really set it apart. The sixth point is Kartra's membership site features. If you're looking to sell courses or offer exclusive content to members, Kartra excels in this area. Unlike other platforms like Teachable or Thinkific, Kartra integrates membership sites directly with your marketing tools. That means you can track your members' activity, send them personalized offers, and create a fully customized experience all in one place. Finally, the customer support is a crucial factor when considering any software, and Kartra doesn't fall short here. The platform offers a wide range of resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and a responsive support team. While it doesn't have the same level of community engagement as something like Kajabi, the support team's responsiveness and the knowledge base are top-notch, which can save you a lot of time when you run into issues. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, you can try out Kartra for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. It's a great way to test the waters and see if it's the right fit for your business. Plus, by using that link, you'll get access to some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. In conclusion, Kartra is a powerful platform with a lot to offer, but it's not perfect for everyone. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that can handle everything from email marketing to sales funnels to membership sites, Kartra might just be the right choice for you. But if you're on a tight budget or need a more user-friendly option, there are other tools out there that may better suit your needs. If you want to give Kartra a try, don't forget to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and unlock some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching.